with a bouquet and a small memento from our side. Thank you, sir. And with a bouquet for India and a small memento from our side. Thank you for gracing the occasion. Going ahead, I would to kindly come and also felicitate our Shri Amarjot small memento from Shillong sales area. Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir, to Shillong LSA.
Product which is made available in a manner which is not lost to the use of the consumers. And there has been, I'm sure the government officials here are aware, going in a direction where some of the cities will be declared business that we are in, basically the supplies of LPG to the domestic consumers. As you are aware, the situation of availability of LPG has been a point of discussion and a point of importance to the entire country since the West Asia crisis has started. Just for a background, we normally import about 60 to 70% of our requirement of LPG. Because in the country we can only produce about 30 to 35% of LPG that is required all over the country. So since the West Asia conflict has started, bringing in LPG has been a problem both logistically as well as because of the fact that the prices of LPG has zoomed upwards to the extent of sometimes 200% to 300%. So when the country is spending almost 30 to 40% of its entire kitty on bringing in LPG, this has become a great problem. And that is why the rationing of LPG after I think around 2001 or 2 has become again the order of the day. And you have seen so many activities have taken place regarding control of LPG supplies to the consumers. Again, pushing the usage of natural gas across the country, and also bringing in LPG to the consumers at a rate which is not at a loss to the country. So these are the three things that is happening post this crisis. And for the information, when we started in the month of March and April, for every LPG cylinder, domestic LPG cylinders that the country is supplying to its consumers, we are losing 750 rupees per cylinder to the company, eventually to the country. So every cylinder that is going at around 950 to 1000 rupees is actually costing us around 1750 to 1850 rupees to position it at the premises of the customer. Currently it is around 550 rupees. So you can imagine the loss our oil companies, which in turn actually is a government controlled company. So ultimately the government is losing bringing in domestic LPG to the consumers, and that is why they have started controlling the consumption. Not exactly controlling, it is basically correcting the supply logistics systems, I would say, by going for what you are currently engaged in, doing the eKYC of the consumer. Or before that we started with the delivery authentication certification of the consumer, because earlier we were not really controlling to which consumer the LPG is going, and we would give the distributor, and with them the supply is going to a particular consumer is assumed as a supply to the domestic market. But it has been seen that there has been some of the LPG cylinders which are basically to be used in domestic market has gone to different other uses, which we call diversion, and that is causing a great loss to the exchequer. So because of that, this initially we started with the delivery authentication code, and then we realized that there are many consumers who may be having, actually LPG connection should be one connection to one household, that is the policy. But as we all know that many of the households may be having two LPG connections. In various areas it has been said that while the wife is holding a PMY connection, the husband is holding a non-PMY connection. So basically the uses which was originally intended for a domestic LPG, for which currently the oil companies are incurring a loss of around say 550 rupees per cylinder, is actually not going to the intended customer. So all these activities have started initially with the differential booking period of 45 days for PMY, non-PMY it is 25 days, which is continuing to the fact that now government has directed oil companies to a deadline of 16th of August, before which we have to complete the eKYC. Otherwise, as of now, they are maintaining that the LPG will have to be supplied at a commercial rate to the consumers who have not done the eKYC. So this background basically I am giving because of the fact that nowadays the uses of domestic LPG is going to be regulated in a very stricter sense. Secondly, we will also have some options of using LPG at the rate at which the oil companies are bringing it in. Sorry, I'll have to take this call. I'm sorry. But the fact that even the other authentication is not 100% here. There are many consumers probably who are otherwise eligible to take domestic LPG is currently not able to register for domestic connections, and PMY connection release as of now in the whole country is also kept on hold. So, which means that there are a lot of consumers who still require the use of LPG, and the current system is unable to give them LPG at the way they need it. So we have, there has been a lot of thinking on this, and there is a product which has been now brought into the market by all oil companies, not only IndianOil but other oil companies also are bringing in, that the small cylinders that we had, the 5 kg cylinder, as well as there is a new branding for the composite cylinder, which was earlier going to domestic consumers only, will be filled with commercial gas and will be provided to the urban affordable consumers at a price which is driven by the market. So they have seen that, as our division manager has already said, the differential price is not much, to the extent of around 600 to 700 rupees only for the gas, and so it was thought that it is going to be affordable to the really needy people. And we have seen that in city like Shillong, which really depends on LPG in a big way, will be one of the right place to launch this product. In fact, today we are launching this product in the entire Northeast, and Shillong is the city chosen because we feel that there is a lot of consumers who will be interested to use the LPG at a price which is driven by the market for their domestic use. To supply this cylinder to you within a time span of 180 minutes. So that is 3 hours. So within 3 hours, we are going to make this cylinder available to you in return of a slight premium that the consumers are going to pay. But I think in today's world, as you have seen in many other consumer goods also, service is given equal importance to the price. Because now, supposing a small example I will give, when I go to watch a movie, we would like to go to a premium movie hall like Aurus Mall in Guwahati, where the ticket price is at least 2 to 3 times than the normal hall, but the comfort and the service you get is also equally matching to the price. So similarly, this particular product that we are launching today, we are committed to offer you the service which will be premium, like providing your requirement 24/7 within a span of 3 hours. And other services that will also follow. And the cylinder that is going to be used is, as all of you know, in fact the distributors who are present are definitely aware, is a blast-proof cylinder, because it is made of composite plastic material which will burn if there is a leakage in the cylinder. So there is no chances of an accident in this kind of cylinders due to a blast or blast of cylinder, by which those blavi or that kind of activity can happen for an LPG. So this is a product which is and we are sure is going to be acceptable to the people who realizes value, who realizes service. And for a beautiful city like Shillong, where I am sure the living standard is one of the best in the country, will accept this product from us. And at the same time, by taking this product for this affordable society, the users of domestic LPG to the really needy people, that will be ensured. So it is a winning situation from both sides. Our senior government officials are here. I would also request, as you have always extended the support of control of diversion of domestic LPG to commercial market, that will continue, and we will promote the uses of this particular cylinders, which will come in 5 kg as well as in 10 kg capacity.
Limited, to me personally, I have been acquainted indirectly with the company since long time back, in the sense that I was there in revenue department for quite a long time. So many applications we used to receive, application for retail outlets, and as I have seen in our state, there are many retail outlets that has been that are operational, and are also the applications that are still online. So I congratulate the company IOC for fueling the journeys across the road, up in the sky, and for opening up avenues for employment to all of our youths in your respective company, be it in the petrol outlets, LPG distributors. I have seen most of the distributors most of them are locals, and even for, I have seen nowadays most the retail outlets are there even in the far-flung areas. You have also, the main company for energizing the industries in the country, in our state, and also for keeping our kitchen running. Because I have seen nowadays, even those people living in the rural areas are also using LPG, not only in the urban areas. And in all the places, in the districts, with all your efforts for providing energy, clean fuel. It has been a great help to the people of our state and in the country as a whole.
So let's unveil the 10 kg extra light now from IndianOil Corporation Limited. It's safe, it's reliable and blast proof. So we are welcoming extra light now to Shillong city first, to the state. Yes. Sunny. Okay, sorry. Sunny Indane. Please, the proprietor also please come along. Sunny Indane.